Okay, I just want to know if you know anything about halal food. Okay, what do you know about halal food? Do you know anything about halal food? Hi, do you know anything about halal food? Hi there, do you know anything about halal food?
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing, okay.
It has to be prepared in set down manner.
Eaten by Muslims.
As far as you know, it's the way meat is killed in a certain manner.
Well, do you know anything about halal food? No?
I think halal means that it must be clean,
Yeah, in a certain way?
with no blood. I don't know. Maybe clean blood. I'm sure. I think that's what
Yeah, that's for chicken.
I think it's the way in which the animal is killed, through the process, and then they say prayer. I think. What I know is it's cows that are slaughtered in a very way because they're in keeping with the Islamic laws and traditions.
Animals and the stock, they're killed humanely, so they're drained completely of their blood in a natural kind of a slit throat fashion.
What do you know about halal?
I know that first of all, certain things can never be halal, like pigs.
Yeah.
Animals with a certain kind of hoof is not right. Secondly, it must be slaughtered in a specific way by an official, by a priest, maybe.
Yeah, not really.
Anyone can.
Anyone can.
Anyone can do it, but it must be done in a particular way.
Yeah.
Then we say
That's all I know.
Okay, what do you know about halal food?
what?
Halal food.
What's halal?
I have a question for you. I want a very short answer from you. What do you know about halal food?
I don't know. What is halal food? Yeah, sorry.
And it's in the Quran talking about when you slaughter animals and what's permissible and what's not, because you use the word halal. And I want to just clarify for the benefit of those who may be listening to this in the future, that this word halal is an Arabic word. It means permissible, as opposed to the opposite, which would be haram, which means not permissible.
The principle that God has submitted the creation to us. God, as a gift from Himself, has submitted the creation to us, whether the vegetable kingdom, which contains life, or the animal kingdom, which contains life. Now, when that life is taken by the permission of God, it should be done in a respectable way. It should be done in the name of God. So Muslims, when taking the life of an animal, say Bismillah, in the name of Allah, recognizing that this animal came from God, giving thanks to God that He has the authority to take this life. So that permission from God, that authority, places that meal or that meat in a particular category, which is the edible category. So the principle of halal with regards to meat is taking the life of the animal in accordance with the instructions of God, mentioning the name of God, and giving thanks to God. So it has, you could say, a religious element as opposed to just a physical act, like going to the bathroom or something. You just kill the animal. No. We recognize that it is a special circumstance.
Ask me about love and what I know about it. My answer will be it's everything about Allah, the pure love.
I am butcher from the Kronsky Halal butcher. The halal food, it's the difference between them. The halal they slaughtered, the blood is coming out, and other kind of meat. The blood is staying in, and in the search they find, what the blood when it's going out, it's more healthy than other one.
Always be there to bless.
Haram food? Well, I think it's if you eat it, you go to hell for sure.
Yeah.
Pork and food that is not
Slaughtered.
slaughtered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think it's halal. It's haram. If it's stated in the Quran or Sunnah, if not stated in Quran or Sunnah, then it is halal food for Muslims.
Well, what is haram food? Well, it's stated in the Quran. Well, haram food, there's a guideline which is Allah already stated which one is a haram food. Like for example, pork.
Food killed in a way inappropriate with Islamic laws. Basically, killed by a manner which Allah's name is not mentioned upon it. That's why we are prohibited to eat people mushrikeen food.
Like certain animals like tigers and something like that. The carnivorous animals.
Bangkai apa dia? Bangkai berkuku macam mana? Claw. Haiwan with claw. Animal with claw. They are not slaughtered.
And another one thing, there's alcohol that we couldn't, as a Muslim, we couldn't take it.
What else is haram? Pork is haram, as defined by the Quran. And meita, that means killed animals, before you get to them, which is killed, is also haram. Animals which fall from cliffs, haram to eat.
Okay.
Animals which are carnivores, they eat other animals, haram to eat, predators, in other words.
So when the time gets hard, there's no way to turn.
When we look at the animals that are prohibited to us to eat, from eating, we see that in general there are animals which are carnivores. The carnivores, the lion, the tiger, birds of prey that kill with the claw, the hawk, the eagle, the osprey, they are prohibited to us. Alligators, etc. The sea is different. Animals which are sea animals, because the shark is a predator also, but we can eat it. Big fish eat small fish, but we can eat them. So the ruling concerning the sea is different from the ruling for the land animals, right? These are the land animals, the birds, these are the forbidden animals.